Sweetened Almond Milk Beverage. Sweetened almond milk beverage is a delicious alternative to cow's milk made from non-GMO project-verified California almonds. This on-trend beverage fulfills patrons' growing interest in plant-based and vegan dining options. This light, sweet, and creamy beverage supports living well. It is an excellent source of calcium and vitamins A and D. It is only 60 calories per serving and free of dairy, lactose, and soy. Unlike many dairy alternatives, sweetened almond milk beverage is a completely versatile replacement for cow's milk. It can be steamed or served cold on its own, or be the main ingredient in a traditionally dairy-based dessert. Sweetened almond milk beverage has a light almond flavor with a hint of sweetness from cane sugar and a creamy consistency. Sweetened almond milk beverage made from non-GMO project-verified California almonds is an excellent alternative to cow's milk. This nutrient-rich, low-calorie, and vegan beverage can be the creamy, rich froth in lattes and cappuccinos, served cold as a refreshing beverage, or be the perfect pairing with cereal. Your health-conscious guests will enjoy the sweet, creamy, and delicately flavored beverages and desserts made with sweetened almond milk beverage. Satisfying your guests' desire for living well with delicious menu options results in a larger tip.